The week has started and so has the work for Modi 3.0. It's the new cabinet led by Prime Minister Modi again, aiming for a certain continuity. And that's why, because there was a lot of hype about who gets what ministry, there will be a certain similar continuity and pattern. Look closely on your screen. These are the leaders getting these ministries. A quick word just to explain. Home Minister Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, S. Jaishankar will retain their respective ministries, and they are in many ways the old guard that have come in from Modi 2.0. Ministers like JP Nadda, Bhupendra Yadav, H.D. Kumaraswamy will take charge of their ministries right away this time. H.D. Kumaraswamy, remember, will be crucial as an ally for the NDA. So we are showing you which leader has got which specific portfolio there on your screens. But there are changes as well in the Cabinet 3.0. Jyotiraditya Scindia, who was earlier Civil Aviation Minister, is now Minister for Communications and Northeast Development, which is one of the pet projects of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Giriraj Singh, who earlier had Rural Development, is now going to head the Textiles Ministry. Mansukh Mandavia, earlier the Health Minister, will now be Youth Affairs and Sports and Labour and Employment Ministry. These are also, remember, important ministries when it comes to a lot of reforms and welfare issues that are concerned. But have some of the allies expressed dissatisfaction? Shiv Sena MP Srirang Barne has said the party was expecting a cabinet berth. Ajit Pawar of the NCP said they denied MOS independent charge to be in the cabinet in the near future. So some are banking their aspirations in what happens in the next few months.
प्रधानमंत्री जी की प्राथमिकता, सरकार की प्राथमिकता किसान कल्याण है और इसलिए आज उन्होंने जो पहली फाइल पर हस्ताक्षर किए किसान सम्मान निधि जारी करने के लिए, आज जो फैसला कैबिनेट ने लिया 3 करोड़ गरीबों के घर और बनाने का, अब ये काम पहले से जारी है। इन्हीं को आगे बढ़ाएंगे क्योंकि कोई नया मंत्री आया तो नया ही करेगा। काम में निरंतरता, ये निरंतरता जारी रहेगी।
प्रधानमंत्री जी के द्वारा जो भी जिम्मेदारी मुझे दी गई है और ये एक ऐसे विभाग की जिम्मेदारी मुझे दी गई है जिसकी चर्चा मैंने मेरे विजन डॉक्यूमेंट में हमेशा की थी और आने वाला समय मैं मानता हूं इस विभाग का है। आज भी अगर आप देखें तो दुनिया के बनस्पत ना के बराबर प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स हम लोग के पास है और ये समय आज की तारीख में प्रोसेसिंग का ही है। आप विदेशों में जाइए, जिस तरीके से प्रोसेस आइटम्स आपको मिलती हैं, ऐसे में मुझे लगता है कि भारत में खास तौर पे इसका बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है।
देखिए, पहली तो बात तो ये है कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मार्गदर्शन में काम करना ही एक सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि में से एक है और ये जो तीसरी बार के लिए मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं, जो 1962 के बाद फिर से एक बार रिपीट हुआ है, तो अब वो एक्सपीरियंस करना और भी स्टेज में बैठकर, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। और मेरे जैसे एक साधारण से कार्यकर्ता को इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी जो दी गई है, मैं समझता हूँ ये बहुत ही मेरे लिए बहुत ही मतलब सम्मान की बात है।
So the message of continuity is loud and clear, but there are several surprises as well and the changes that have happened with the similar faces but perhaps new responsibilities. So here's a look now for precisely which leader becomes the leader of which ministry as well. Take a look.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled his brand new cabinet for his third term in office. The retention of the top 4 ministers, Amit Shah for Home, Nirmala Sitharaman for Finance, Rajnath Singh for Defence and S. Jaishankar for External Affairs reflects Modi's intent to maintain a steady course on key national and international policies. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, has been given the charge of agriculture and farmer welfare as well as Panchayat and rural development. BJP ally and Ram Vilas Paswan's son, Chirag Paswan, has been given the charge of Food Processing Ministry. Haryana's former Chief Minister M.L. Khattar steps on the national stage, taking charge as the Minister of Power, Housing and Urban Development. Representing Andhra Pradesh, Ram Mohan Naidu's inclusion as the Civil Aviation Minister is a strategic move to strengthen the alliance with the TDP. JDU's Lalan Singh gets fisheries, animal husbandry and dairy, while Jitan Ram Manji of the Hindustani Awam Morcha gets micro, small and medium enterprises. The newly inducted cabinet also saw several big changes. Ashwini Vaishnav, retained as the Minister of Railways, gets additional charge of information and broadcasting. Prahlad Joshi lost parliamentary affairs to Kiran Rijiju and has been given the charge of renewable energy, food and consumer affairs. BJP President JP Nadda returns as Health Minister. Jyotiraditya Scindia gets telecom and development of northeastern region. Mansukh Mandavia goes from health to sports. Gajendra Shekhawat loses Jal Shakti to CR Patil and now gets culture and tourism. With these strategic additions and changes, Modi's third cabinet aims to strike a balance between experienced leadership and a new energy. Bureau Report, India Today.